Here's the news of the day.
United Rotorcraft has appointed Jeanette Eaton as Vice President of Sales and Business Development, leveraging her leadership experience at Bell and Sikorsky to enhance mission-critical helicopter solutions.
Southport Aerospace awarded the Manitoba Aviation Council scholarship to Naampreet Kaur, a Red River College student pursuing aircraft maintenance engineering and set to apprentice with Canadian Helicopters Limited.
True Blue Power has unveiled the TC6500 DC-to-DC converter, a lightweight, high-efficiency unit designed to power avionics and systems in business, commercial, and advanced air mobility aircraft.
Joby Aviation delivered a second aircraft to the US Air Force, advanced certification efforts, and secured over $1 billion in funding, positioning itself for commercial passenger operations by 2026.
Orlando International Airport plans to build a vertiport for eVTOLs by 2028, aiming to position Central Florida as a leader in advanced air mobility, while working closely with the FAA on feasibility and integration.
The Museum of Flight and Aerial Firefighting has added a Boeing KC-97 Stratofreighter to its collection, preserving its legacy as a former aerial firefighting tanker in the US.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.